What's going on, YouTube? How's all the beautiful people? Hey, we have an Echo SRM 225 trimmer. Not running well at all. So, it'll run, but it under full throttle it bogs down, and anything under full throttle it just dies. So, we are going to open up the secret high-tech adjustments, one here and there's another one underneath here. And to do that, you're going to need a drill bit. This one here is probably a 16th or just something that'll fit in there, right? So what you're going to need is a good lighter or a torch or something of that nature. And you're going to heat your drill bit. Red hot. And then you just stick it down in there and let it cool. You'll feel it. What it is there's a plastic cap over the adjustment screw so that you can't just stick something in there and adjust it. We're going to remove that cap. Right? Get you a pair of pliers or something, and you're just gonna wiggle it. Look at there. There's that plastic cap. And you just pull it off your bit. But what you've done is you've exposed that. Maybe I need another pair of pliers. You have exposed that screw. Now, we don't have to worry about taking the whole carburetor off and cleaning it to make it brand new again. And then once you twist your plastic cap off, you're ready to go for the next one. And it's going to be kind of difficult for me to show you, but I'll give it a shot. Come on, baby. Right in here, don't know if you can see it or not, but right in here, underneath the purge bowl, there's another little hole where there is a screw. Easy to find. And we're going to do the same thing to it. Take your torch or your lighter. I just use a torch because it's faster. And heat it up. Like that. Stick it in that hole. And it doesn't take long for it to cool. And then you just kind of pull it. Oh, I missed it that time. I think I let it cool off too much while I was trying to find it. I think I got it that time. There it is. Now, be careful that bit. The bit cools pretty quick, but you don't want to be the victim of somebody that grabbed one that wasn't cooled off, you know what I mean? Now what you're going to need is everybody has one of these, right? Not everybody, but you should. This is Right, it's for repairing eyeglasses and crap like that. You're going to want to find a really small regular. And when I say regular, I don't mean Phillips. Find one that'll fit in there and get on that screw. Now, let me make sure she's got plenty of fuel for testing. And close. I'm going to open this one just a little bit. A little bit. I think we're going to get by so easy on this one. See that carburetor flooding over? Yeah. Nice one. But that is how you remove your adjustment screws. If your problem is something that can be rectified with simple adjustments, that's how you do it. Unfortunately, this one is not. But I've had many that were. So, this one's going to require a cleaning. So that's what I'll do, but this video will be ended here. That's how you remove your plugs to adjust your screws. Thanks for joining in. Like and sub. We'll catch you on the next one.